Hi guys, Neville here. Just a quick recording because someone asked me how I take videos from one page and put it onto another without it being a share of that video on Facebook, that is. So I've got a video playing here. Okay, you right click on the video that you want, you show the URL, you copy that, you open up another tab, because if you were to put that straight onto your Facebook page, obviously it would just be a share. Copy it into the top there and then click behind that little dot and take out the www and put in an M, not a capital M. It doesn't make any difference, I don't think, but I've got my cap locks on. An M in there and then fire that off, and that's what you're going to see. Let it play. Stop it, press the F12 button, which I can't show you, you just press that and that's what will happen to your screen. Up in the top here you've got a little box with an arrow in, click on that, press it again on the video, and that's in the wrong place, sorry. So this part here would either be blue or grey, right click on that, open in a new tab, and then all you have to do there is save video as, and then just save it. I'll just put the video because I can't think of anything else just at the moment. Okay, and that's done. If I open up here and go to my videos, it's there, the video. So basically you would share it from there like you would a photograph. Okay, and then just put whatever you want and then it will appear on your page as your video rather than a share from another page. Great, thanks, bye.